Creating custom audience on TikTok is a secret to reaching people who already knows about your brand and are more likely to convert. In this video, I will be talking about how you can create powerful custom audience on TikTok ads. If you want to create custom audience with email lists, if you want to retarget website visitors, I'm going to show you how you can do that in this video. Let's get started. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, I will encourage you to do that right now. Like this video, share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. So the first thing, we are in Ads Manager. This is Ads Manager. We have dashboard, we have campaigns, we have tools, we have analytics. Under tools, that is where you will see Audience Manager. It is inside Audience Manager, that's where you can create custom audience. So you come under tools, then you click Audience Manager. Audience Manager here. Can you see event leads and all those things? But all you need is to click on Audience Manager in your TikTok Ads Manager. That's where you can create custom audience, and that's where you can create look-alike audience. But in this video, I'm covering custom audience. Custom audience is powerful if you want to do retargeting. So the first thing we are doing is to click on create audience, then you select custom audience here. So I'm going to cover how you can create custom audience with customer list. You can create custom audience with different things: customer list, engagement, app activity, website traffic, lead generation, business account, shop activities, offline activity. We are going to cover engagement, websites, we are going to cover business account, shop activity, and we'll go to customer list. So let's start with engagement. So you see, create a list of people who saw, clicked, or engaged with your content. If you have a TikTok account that has a lot of followers as a business, you can, and you have organic content on your page, on your website, and are doing well, you can create custom audience of people that have interacted or engage with your content and retarget offers to them. So let's click on engage. You can see define your audience. So under the ad group you are using to set up you want to use to set up your ad, you can select ad group, and you can select all ad groups here. Then ad type, leave your ad type to be video ads. Leave this app, since you are running video ads, you are not running app, you are not on profile page ads or TikTok instant page ads or collection ads. So leave it as video ads. Then we'll select actions. If you come to select action, I do viewed at least 25%. Those are people that engage, that really have interest in your content, or really have interest in your brand. And with custom audience is mainly used for retargeting people who have interacted with your brands before. So I can say people who view at least 50%, video view at least 50% in the last 30 days. I do 30 days. Sometimes if you have your content if you have your page or brand for a long time on TikTok, you can do 90 days, you can do 60 days. Let's start with 30 days. So I can now add rule. Come to this add rule, click on broaden audience. If you come to broaden audience, you can select again and say view at least 75% in the last 30 days again. I will add another rule again. So this will create custom audience of people who have viewed 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%. Can you see 100% of my video ads in the last 30 days to retarget them for offers? This is very, very powerful. This is very, very powerful. So this is how you can build custom audience. So you can build this as layers. That is, maybe you've been running top of funnel campaigns before with a video, and you now want to retarget people with offers. You now want to retarget people. You are not looking for fresh audience. You want to retarget people that they've seen your brand before, they have an idea of what your brand. And TikTok is a video-based platform. It is a video-based platform. So you can create custom audience of people that have engaged. Create engagement audience. People that have viewed at least 50% of your video, people that have viewed 50% 75% of your video in the last 30 days, video ads in the last 30 days. If you've been running that ad, at least try to run your ad for 30 days. And before you start creating custom audience, before you start retargeting, if at least you need to have created or run your ad for 30 days. You can also say video viewed at least 100%. That is, people who watched your video for 100% in the last 30 days. Then you will define your audience. You can say video views. You can say viewed video. You can say alt. I usually give it alt video viewed video in 30 days. So what I also do is that sometimes I create this custom audience separately. I create it one by one, and sometimes I combine all of them together. What I'm trying to say is that I'll create a custom audience for video view at least 50% for 30 days separate. I'll create for video viewed 75% in 30 days separate. I'll create video viewed 100% in the last 30 days separate. So I create that separate, and I will target them in my ad. I will use them to promote offers. So what I need to do next is to just click on, after you give your ad a name, and you can do this. You can use this, refresh your audience automatically to view the latest view data. Increase total match audience size by adding more users identified by our learning machine learning model. I can also turn this on. Then I'll click on confirm. This is going to create your audience, and it is unavailable. It will start populating your data. And in the next 24 hours or 48 hours, you will be able to use it. So the next one I want to cover, the next custom audience I want to cover is website traffic. Before you can use website traffic custom audience, you need to have installed TikTok Pixel. You need to have installed TikTok Pixel on that your website, and that your TikTok Pixel should have been capturing data in the last 30 days. So can you see, use TikTok Pixel to create a list of people who visited or took specific actions on your website. So let's click on website traffic. If I click on website traffic to create custom audience, now you will see now who can define your audience, create website traffic audience, people who have carried out the following action. So I'll click on this drop down, and I'll untick this and say, can you see, complete registration, view cart, add to cart, place order, complete payment. Can you see, add payment info, initiate checkout, search, click button, download, contact form, add to wish list, and all those things. So I am an e-commerce brand, and I want to create custom audience to retarget people in the last 30 days, people that have browsed through my website. So I will do people that viewed content on my website. That's what I will do. They browse through product on my website. Those are the people I will target. I will target people that have added product to cart and they didn't check out. I will come to this place again. I will not select this. I'll come to people. Some people add payment info sometimes and they don't check out, but I will leave this and I will click on initiate checkout. I can create custom audience of all these people in the last 30 days. These are people that have interacted with my e-commerce business. They viewed my product. They've added product to cart, but they didn't check out. These are powerful custom audience. Then you say through the following pixel. If you have a lot of pixel created and you want to make this custom audience work for a particular pixel, if you have several pixels here, you will see the pixel you want to add, then you select the pixel here, and you are good to go. In some cases, I do this, I create this custom audience separately too. I'll create custom audience for people that viewed product on my website. They viewed product on my website. I'll create it separately. I'll name the audience. I'll create TikTok, I'll create custom audience for people that added product to cart on my website also. And I'll also do initiate checkout. I'll create custom audience for people that have initiated checkout separately, and I'll give them a name. So in this place, can you see this URL is optional? They want you to define your audience, but in this case, I'm not defining any audience. This is an e-commerce business and everything is built in. All I need to do is to just give my custom audience a name. I'll say website. I can say website engagements. 30 days. Make sure you give your custom audience a name or name that you understand. So the next thing I will do, I can turn this on and give my audience and click on confirm to create my custom audience. Like I said, sometimes I don't combine all these rules together. I create them separately just for me to see the audience, just for me to see the total audience in each segment. Let's say add to cart now. I want to see people. I want to see the TikTok pixel to give me data of people that have added product to cart in the last 30 days and they didn't check out. I will create this separate. So all I need to do is that I've defined the rule. People who have carried out the following action. People that have added product to cart in the last 30 days and they didn't check out. All I will do is to click on and I will click on confirm. Once I click on confirm, it's going to create my audience. Can you see? I can even give this audience a name. I can say added product to cart 30 days. Added product to cart website 30 days. Then I'll give it a name. That's you can define your audience in such a way. You break it down. The reason why I'm doing this is that I want to know the data available for each specific rule. People that initiated checkout, I'll create custom audience for them separate. People that added product to cart, I create custom audience for them separately. People that viewed content, I create custom audience for them separately. And I will see the data available for me to them and use them for my remarketing, for my retargeting. It is very, very powerful. Let me cover the next one. I'll go to create audience, custom audience again. Then I'll come to business account. Can you see? Create a list of people who followed or interact with your business account on TikTok. If you have a business account on TikTok, you can create custom audience of people who followed or interacted with that your business. So let's click on business account for TikTok. So you can see people who have carried out the following action. You can remarket to people who followed your brand, who viewed your business video in the video view at 100%. So, or engagement, can you see? Or people that visit your profile in the last 30 days. People that visit your profile as a business, people that visit your profile and they didn't take any action, people that viewed one of your video 100% and all those things. So this one is something close to that engagement I showed you earlier. So it's going to give you something close to what the engagement custom audience will give you. You just need to define all those audiences very well so they won't overlap over each other. You won't be creating the same custom audience and targeting the same custom audience. So let's say people that followed your brand, that followed your business in the last 30 days. So let's say through the following business account, you select your business account. This is specifically for business. Then I will add this. So you can add more rule, but I like to create my custom audience and give it a naming convention that I understand. I like to create one custom audience for one action or for one following rule. I create custom audience for one action. I create custom audience for people that added product to cart separate. I create custom audience for people that view content or browse through products on my website separate, so that I will be able to have the idea of data available. So that's the next thing I want to do. I'll just say followed business account. then maybe 30 days. We are not defining rules of 30 days yet. So let me just say 30 days. Then I can turn this on. Then I'll click on confirm again. So what I'm just trying to do is that, what I'm just trying to say is that you can do a lot with this. You can define your audience by follow. You can do 6 seconds video view, video view at 100% engagement. You can even create custom audience of people. Can you see when a user visit the profile page of your TikTok business account, you can even create custom audience of people like that. So the next thing I need to do is to click on confirm. So this is another custom audience. So let's go to the next one. Click on custom audience again, and let's go to shop activity. You know, on TikTok, you can, if you're an e-commerce business, you can create a shop on TikTok whereby people can buy product on TikTok there. People can buy product on TikTok there, right? So all you need to do is to come to this place, shop activity. If you come to shop activity, you will see build an audience from people who took certain action in TikTok shop. If you have a TikTok shop, you can build custom audience of people that have taken certain action on that TikTok shop. So all you need to do is to click on shop activity. You see event, and you see people who carried out the following action. So let's say select, then you see add to cart, the initiated checkout, or product details page view. So I do this. Some people will just come and they will just view your product page and they won't do anything. Then I'll do in the last 30 days. Once I do in the last 30 days, I'll give it a name in this following shop. So this is the name of my shop. Make sure you select the name of your shop. Make sure you select the name of your shop. So the next thing I need to do is to give my audience a name, and I also turn on this. So this is specifically for TikTok shop. If you have a TikTok shop on your TikTok business account that is attached to your TikTok business account, you can create custom audience of people who viewed products on your TikTok shop. You can create custom audience of people that added product to cart on your TikTok shop. You can create custom audience of people that initiated checkout on your TikTok shop. Then you build it on each other, and it will determine the kind of offers you market to them. So you need to give this a good naming convention by saying TikTok shop. I can say the name of the brand, Merak TikTok shop. Can you see TikTok shop product view 30 days? Then you say 30 days, in the last 30 days. Then you click on confirm. So these are options available to you on TikTok. These are valuable options that are available to you on TikTok ads. And these are valuable TikTok custom audience that you can create to remarket to your audience, to remarket to people that have interacted with your business, to remarket to people that have shown interest in your business. And they are very, very powerful. One thing you need to get right is the naming convention. And one advice I'm going to give you as a business owner is that you need to build cost for you to be able to know the data that is available to you. Don't combine different audience together. Don't combine different actions together. Don't combine different actions together. Create custom audience for people that have added product to cart, separate. Create custom audience for people that have initiated checkout, separate, so that you can know data that is available to you and know how you market offers to them. That's how you can get the best from your TikTok custom audience. So let's go to the last one, which is custom audience. Then you see customer list. If you have this customer list, is basically you having a database of all your customers, all the people that have bought products from you, maybe in the last 90 days, or you have a CSV file of people that have bought products from you in the last 365 days. If you have a database of that, you have the value of the product they bought, you have their address, you have their name, their phone number, you have their address, you have the purchase value, you have an Excel sheet with that database. You can upload this on TikTok, and TikTok will find a matching audience for you of that same people. TikTok will find a matching audience of those people for you and help you remarket to them. All you just need to do is to upload a customer file to match your customers with people on the platform. This will match. Can you see? It's saying, if you come here again, it will say these matches will be used to create an audience. So all you need to do is to have a CSV file of that database, have their name, their first name, their last name, their address, their purchase value, and every detail that you want to find, that you feel that is valuable. If you upload this on TikTok and you use it to run ad, it is very, very powerful. All you need to do is to click on customer file. Can you see? Upload a CSV or TXT file with phone, email, address. Can you see? MAID identifier as individual column, which include multiple identifier to improve match rate, and make sure your supported ID are formatted correctly. So you can even see learn more. So you can just drag your file in here and click upload. Your file should not exceed more than one GB. So all you need to do, once you upload it, TikTok is going to match it. It's going to match it. And it is advisable in that your customer list, at least you should have over 100 people in your database, in that database that you are uploading. Once you upload it, TikTok is going to match them, their phone number, their email address. If you are an e-commerce business, you should have their purchase value in it. It is very, very powerful if you use it to create custom audience. I believe I've been able to share value with you in this video. If you are here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, I will encourage you to do that right away. Like this video, share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you in the next one.